Good morning students, welcome to session 13 on the matrices. So in this session we are going to study about some more examples on non-homogeneous system of equations. So let us take one example. So I told in the last session about this problem. So this problem is very important. Find the value of lambda and mu for the system x plus y plus z is equals to 6, 2x plus 4y minus plus 6z is equals to 20, x plus 2y plus lambda is equals to mu has first point unique solution, second one infinite solution, and third one no solution. So this example is very important. First write the augmented matrix. The augmented matrix is, so you know the augmented matrix is coefficients of x, y, z and RHS you have to write. So it is 1 1 1 6, 2 4 6 20, 1 2 this is 1 2 lambda and RHS is mu. So again same thing here, there is nothing difference in this example also. So you have to make this one as this is echelon form. So let us make this 2 0, that is R2 changes to R2 minus 2 times of R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Let us write first row as it is. Second row changes to second row minus 2 times of first row, that is 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 2 into 1, 6 minus 2 is 4, and 20 minus 2 into 6, 12, 20 minus 12 is 8. I hope you know how to simplify this one, I told many times here. So and R3 changes to what here? R3 changes to R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, lambda minus 1 and mu minus 6. So next we have to make, we can make this one 0. So for that let us divide R2 by 2. Then we will get here first row as it is. Second row we are dividing second row by 2. It is 1, 4 by 2 is 2, 8 by 4 is 2. So why we have divided means to make it as 1. It is possible here, so we have divided here. Third row again as it is. So now we can make this element to 0. This is all about converting this one into echelon form. So here R3 changes to R3 minus R2. First row as it is, second row as it is, third row changes to. So 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1 0, lambda minus 1 minus 2 is lambda minus 3, mu minus 6 minus 4 is mu minus 10. R3 changes to R3 minus R2. So this is about this echelon form. Now we cannot make this one 0 and this one 0. So first one is unique solution. Question is here you have to find the condition for unique solution, infinite solution and no solution. So first one is for unique solution. So unique solution means first point is to get the solution, first point should be this is rank of AB and rank of A both are equal and equal to the number of unknowns here. So this is possible only when rank of AB is equal to rank of A, then only it has a solution. So for unique solution this must be equal to number of unknowns. Means rank of A should be 3 and rank of AB is also equals to 3. So this is possible. Rank of A must be 3 means here compulsory this lambda minus 3 should not be 0. If it is 0 then the rank of A becomes 2. So condition for the rank of A to be 3 is there should be 3 non-zero rows. So therefore lambda minus 3 should not be equals to 0. If it is not equals to 0 means here we have some number in this. So then rank of A becomes 3 and if you have some number in this means there is no condition for this mu minus 10. It may be 0 or may not be 0, then also rank of AB is equals to 3. So therefore rank of AB and rank of A to be equal to 3 means there should be 3 non-zero rows. This is possible only when lambda minus 3 is not equals to 0, that is lambda is not equals to 3 and mu minus 10, it may be anything, whether it may be 0 or may not 0, then also this rank of AB is 3 because lambda minus 3 is not equals to 0. So this is the condition for a unique solution, that is lambda minus 3 not equal to 0 and mu whatever it may be the value of mu here. So this is the condition for a unique solution. Second case is infinite solution. So this is possible only when rank of AB is equal to rank of A which is less than number of unknowns. So number of unknowns here are 3 now, so it is less than number of unknowns, that is 3 here, that is 3 number of unknowns. So number of unknowns are 3 here. So it should be definitely 2 here. Rank of AB is equal to rank of A. It should be equals to 2 here. Then only we can get this solutions here. So rank of AB is equals to rank of A is equals to 2 means here there should be what here? There should be 2 non-zero rows in both A and AB. So here 2 non-zero rows means here in A colon B we have here this is the A colon B. There should be 2 non-zero rows. 2 non-zero rows means here this row must be equals to 0 here. For rank of A this should be 0, then only rank of A is 2 here because there are 2 non-zero rows. And rank of AB is also equals to 0 means here it should be 0 and it should be 0, then only rank of AB becomes 0. So this is possible only when lambda minus 3 is equals to 0 and mu minus 10 equals to 0. That is lambda is equals to 3 and mu is equals to 10. And the third one is no solution. So third one is what? No solution. So this is possible, we know here this is possible only when rank of AB is not equals to rank of E. So let us take here, therefore we must have rank of A is equals to 2 and rank of AB is equals to 3. So rank of A is equals to 2 means here, rank of A equals to 2 means there should be 2 non-zero rows here. That is this lambda minus 3 should be equals to 0. That is here lambda minus 3 is equals to 0. And rank of AB should be equals to 3 we can take here. This is possible only when mu minus 10 is not equals to 0, because here if lambda minus 3 is equals to 0 means we have 0 here, then rank of AB is equals to 3 means here this should not be 0. That is lambda minus mu is not equals to 0. So this is the condition for no solution, that is lambda is equals to 3 and mu not equals to 10. You just go through this example 2-3 times, then only you can understand this. Again, if you don't understand, then you can ask me by calling me at any time here. So these are the assignments I have given in the last session also. These are the same assignments repeatedly it is. Here one more example I have given you. Find the value of lambda and mu for which the system has unique solution, infinite solution, no solution. It is the same again here, exactly same. So again here also you have to make this one is echelon form like this here. So it is exactly same here. You just go through this example also. Just go through this example and try to solve this one here. If you find any difficulties, then you can ask me at any time, but practice this example here, then only you can understand this. And this example is definitely comes in exam here. It is for 5 marks. So you just go through this example and try to solve yourself so that you can understand this one very easily. Otherwise you can ask me at any time. I will explain you how to get this solution. Let us take one more example. Show that the system x minus 2y plus z equals to 1, x plus y minus 2z is equals to m. This is L, it is not 1, it is. This one is L, it is. Then minus 2x plus y plus z is equals to n has the solution only when L plus m plus n is equals to 0, and solve if L is equals to 1, m is equals to minus 2 and n is equals to 1. So you have to solve this example for this condition here. The augmented matrix is like this here. You know how to write the augmented matrix. So again you just convert this one into normal form. Sorry, normal, not normal, echelon form. Let us make this one 0. Auto changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 plus 2 times of R1 because we have minus sign here. First row as it is, second row we are changing. Second row minus first row, 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus of minus 2 is plus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, m minus L. Third row changes to third row plus 2 times of first row. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 1 plus of 2 into, it is like this here, it is like this. 1 plus 2 times of minus 2, it is 1 minus 4 is minus 3. It is 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, it is n plus 2 L it is. Now, we can make this one also 0 by adding these two rows. R3 changes to R3 plus R2. So first row, second row as it is. Third row we are adding here. 0 plus 0 is 0. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. N plus 2L plus M minus L. It is like this here. It is like this. N plus 2L plus M minus L. So 2L minus L is L. L plus M plus N will get here. So what is given here? what is given? Show that the system has the solution. Has the solution means both rank of A is equal to rank of AB. So this is, we have here rank of A is 2 because there are 2 non-zero rows. Rank of AB is also equal to 2 means this L plus M plus N should be equals to what here? This should be 0. Then only what here? Then only this rank of AB becomes 2 because there are, if it becomes 0, then only this rank of AB becomes what here? Rank of AB becomes also equals to 2 non-zero rows. So this is possible only when what here? L plus M plus N is equals to 0. So we got first part here. Now it is the required condition here. So for rank of A is equals to rank of AB is equals to 2, which is less than 3, that is number of unknowns. If it is less than number of unknowns, then it has how many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. So now if L is equals to 1, it is given here, solve, in the question itself it is given, solve if L is equals to 1, M is equals to minus 2 and N is equals to 1. So now we have here in this last step put all these values here. So we have A colon B is equals to, so in the last step what we have here? Last step is here, this is first row 1 minus 2, 1 colon L. So here it is L, L is 1. And next is 0, 3 minus 3 and what we have? M minus L. So M is how much here? It is given, M is minus 2, minus 1 is minus 3. And lastly L plus M plus N, it is value is 0 here. So it is like this here. Let us solve this example. You express this one in terms of equations once again. Here. Second row contains, other terms contains 3, let us divide it by 3. So it becomes simple here, 1 minus 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 1 and minus 1. So let us reconstruct the system of equations in this. It becomes here x minus 2y plus z is equals to 1 and y minus z is equals to minus 1. So this second equation implies what here? Y is equals to minus 1 plus z. And the first equation implies here x is equals to 1 minus 1 plus 2y minus z. This is equals to 1 plus 2y, y is minus 1 plus z and minus z. And it is equals to 1 minus 2 plus into, this is 2 into z is 2z and minus z. Simplify this, x is equals to 2z minus z is z, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So here we have only 2 equations in 3 unknowns. There should be one variable should be arbitrary. So choose z is equals to k as arbitrary, so that we have here x is equals to k minus 1 and y is equals to k minus 1 and z is equals to k is the required solution. So and we have some more examples here, and these are the examples I have given you as assignment. You try to solve these examples yourself here. These are all the same types of examples. You just go through these examples and find the solutions, and if you find any difficulties, you can ask me at any time. I am waiting for your questions. Nobody is asking. Just ask me any doubt and I will explain you at any time. Thank you. I hope you understand all these examples. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much.